Guys, so AJ McGinnis wants me to start my mom's car. This is a 2000 Mazda MPV DX. So this has the 2.5 liter Duratec 25 engine. This is a Ford engine. So we'll see how it starts. Okay, so right now it has 123,861 kilometers, so that's probably about 73,800 miles, I think. So, let's see how it starts.
Remember that 12-year-old miniature poodle named Mishu?
Ooh. That's rough. That's pretty cool. And here's a request. So, yeah, so the powering steering pump whines a bit when you start it, especially when it's really cold outside. So I hope you enjoyed your request and your cold start. Alright, so peace guys.